Hey everyone, my name's Ariella and today I'm going to be doing a Fabfitfun unboxing. I'm so excited. This is actually the spring box. I've been waiting since mid-February for my box. They told me that they sent it out then, but it just now finally arrived today. Isn't it so cute? It has adorable cactuses and flowers all over it. It's definitely super springy. Aww. So the first thing that you see when you open your box is Venus Williams magazine that just talks about what's going to be in the box, fashion and things like that. The next kind of free additional item that they give you is fresh HelloFresh coupons. I wish I could use this, but I live in Hawaii, so unfortunately HelloFresh can't send here. So this is what the box looks like on the inside. Cute. So the first thing that I see is the Sip by Swell insulated water bottle. Super cute in the color white. This is actually very nice. I always need water bottles. I have only one right now and it's a ginormous growler, so it's kind of ridiculous carrying it around places because it's so big, but this is just perfect. I love these because they really do work. They keep your drinks cold or hot all day, which is just perfect. So I'm super excited to be using my new Sip Swell water bottle. The next thing that came in my box is Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. This is a probiotic gel-based cleanser, removes dirt, impurities, makeup, and gently and effectively. Skin is left balanced, clarified, and prepped for skincare. So this is actually, looks very nice. It looks like this. I've been needing to actually get new face wash because I just ran out. So I'm super excited to use this. Let's see what it smells like. That's really nice. It kind of has a baby powder smell, so it definitely smells very clean. I'm excited to try this out and see how this works. The next thing that I have in my bag is the Quay Leave-In Conditioner. This is really nice stuff. I've tried their products before. They do work really well. They have a really nice smell as well, but unfortunately I can't use any hair care, so this is just gonna have to be given to someone in my family. It's really nice and it's a pretty big size bottle too, so I'm excited to give this to someone. The next thing that's in my box is the Lavadio Inspired by Nature Matic Body Lotion. This looks really nice actually. Ooh, I love this. So it's supposed to smell like mandarin, orange, and bergamot. Looks like this. Let's give it a smell. Ooh, wow. It's very clean. I don't know, it just is a great smell. I really like this. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot. Next thing in my bag is No More Baggage Deep Puffing Eye Gel by Dr. Brandt. I love Dr. Brandt. I actually have a couple of his products that I've gotten in past Fabfitfun boxes and that I've also ordered off of his website, and his stuff works so well. So I'm super excited to try this because my eyes recently have been getting really puffy. I don't know if it's just from me not drinking enough water or what it is, but this looks awesome. So I'm super excited to be testing this out. The next thing in my bag is exfoliating charcoal scrub. This looks very nice, and this is, I love how big this is. I'm not going to be running out of it anytime soon. It is Relaxed Champagne Charcoal Body Scrub by Mana Kadar. Let's give it a smell. So this is a very interesting smell. I don't really know how to describe it. It's kind of like a fruity, it's definitely a fruity smell. But I feel like this would be really nice to use in the shower, especially before I do self-tanner, just to sort of scrub off all my dead skin. I'm really excited to try this. The next thing in my bag are, oh, I'm so excited for these. So I had an option to choose what type of sunglasses you'd like, and they're by the Quay brand. I've seen these in high-end boutiques, but I've never been willing to spend money on a pair of glasses just because if glasses are over $60, I'm kind of eh. And these I believe are over $60. So I'm so excited to try these. I just have to figure out how to get it off. So I got the Aviator, I believe they're called Aviator style. Whether or not they're gonna look good on me, we just will have to see. But they're just super big and extra but I really like big and extra glasses, and I feel like they look super cute. Like, so these are just adorable. I love these, and they fit the face really well. So cute. So wow, so cute. Put them back, and it comes in the coolest bag ever. It's like a magnetized, so cool. So put those back in there. And the last thing I see in my Fabfitfun box is the other option that they had you choose from, and I chose the backpack just because I don't really have a lot of backpacks. I have one that's just so ugly, so I'm super excited that I got a new backpack. So this is a little different than what I thought it was going to be, but it is very cute. It looks like this. It's just a white backpack with black leather, and the strap sort of just goes down the center, and it buttons right here, and then you can also adjust the buttons on the side depending on how much stuff you actually have in your backpack, and you can adjust the straps. So if you want it like a low laying backpack or a high laying backpack. Backpack's by Dux Lux, and it just sort of has instructions on how to take care of it. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you check out Fabfitfun. Down below, I'm actually going to be linking a link which will get you $10 off your first Fabfitfun box, which is an awesome deal because Fabfitfun boxes are around $50 a month, and with the link, you will get $10 off that $50 Fabfitfun box. It's a really good deal. You guys should totally check it out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you guys in my next video. So have a nice day.